guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. So this is literally my feeling about driving the 2.0. Like, I just be smiling throughout the whole drive and it never ends. Like, literally, when I say it never ends, it never ends. It's the same feeling every time I sit in this car. I drive it like I just picked it up. So this is what it's feeling like right now, honestly. When you have a 2.0, if you got a 1.5, you're upgrading it to a 2.0, you probably already went to a 2.0, been driving for the past couple days or a month. You know my feeling then. So that's that. And this thing is just night and day difference, guys. And yeah, I mean, people ask me about 1.5, like why a CVT is bad for tuning. And then why 2.0? You got CVT and then you got 10-speed automatic transmission. So huge difference. CVT, you can't really tune it because it's just like point A to point B type of car. You can make it a show car and stuff like that. I wouldn't recommend tuning it besides just the exhaust sound a little bit. If you're into it, and maybe an intake, and I would say that's about it, honestly. Yeah. For a CVT, of course, for the 1.5, but for a 2.0, you guys could do lots of things to it. I mean, people out there has about 500 horsepower right now. A few of them, actually, maybe two to three of them, and throughout different states out of US. So it's insane. So this is its dream come true, guys. I'm just driving this thing every day. The feeling is beautiful every time I sit in it. And it just picks up so quick. It's ridiculous. The ride is comfortable. What else is it? You got a lot more features, of course, like wireless CarPlay, wireless charging pad, which I don't really like much. It's like it charges sometimes and sometimes it don't. I don't know what it is, but I care less for that anyway. And yeah, I'll just show you guys a quick video on how this thing works. In the interior, I got this all custom done. It's not like, I didn't get a touring because touring is like $5,000 more than what a 2.0 is. All right, so it's like 2.0 sport or 2.0 touring will just come pretty much full leather, but it's gonna be black. And literally the leather will be pretty much thin. It won't be like a full leather, actual leather. But this, what I got custom made, was full leather. And yeah, I mean, I got the red stitching on there. That's how I know it's done custom, of course. It's very comfortable when you sit on it. The heated seat still works, of course. Still feel that warm, comfortable feeling. Goes to the lower back once it's on high heat, which is pretty cool. And yeah, let me just put the camera around and show you guys how this thing is awesome. It just changes the gears, and you can tell by the RPM dropping as well. Every time it changes its gears, which is pretty dope. I like that. Sounds pretty clean. A CVT would be like, RPM would just hang at like 5,000 or 6,000 and just kind of scream at you and just keep going. But this one just shifts gears on its own really quick and smooth. So that's that. The sport mode's different. Yep, just smash the like button for that. You guys know gas is expensive, but hey, I can care less because life is short. We gotta enjoy it once, so might as well, right? And yeah, we're gonna go burn some gas here, but it's all for you guys. Wow, this thing picks up quick. Check that out. And I know you guys are asking about the miles per hour in the center, the digital one. That's only on 2021 and above. You won't get that on the 2018 to 2020 Accords. Just wanted to tell you guys a heads up on that as well, because I'm just trying to slow down here and then kind of floor it a little bit because I'm not trying to go crazy speeding. Yep, that's cool. There you go, guys. That's that. And then comment below what you guys think I'm gonna be doing with this Accord. It's definitely a different build, a big one, a unique. I gotta stand out from the crowd, of course. You guys know that. And yeah, so I'm excited for this. And for those guys who have subscribed recently, thank you for tuning into my channel. This is a great channel, guys. Honestly, it's a great channel. So thanks for tuning in. You're gonna learn a lot. You'll save thousands, of course, and just helping out the community. Especially nowadays, you guys will thank me. Because nowadays everything is super expensive. They charge arm and leg the mechanic shops when most of the stuff you can literally do. It's all on my channel. Alright. Watch this. That is pretty cool. What you guys think? So, yep, that's how I know it's night and day difference, fam. Other than that, stay tuned, keep watching the content, appreciate the support, and check out the shop if you need any interior lighting done, or underglows, or air fresheners, you name it. It should be in the site, guys. So thanks for supporting the channel, appreciate it. Stay tuned until next time. It's gonna be a great video. Give it a one more pull over here, and then we'll end it there. A very small one. Red light, so you gotta wait, guys. Alright, that's it. Peace out, fam.